So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting on our gold for this week. We are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on this gold, and we would want to see what gold is actually going to be giving us for the week. So before we go ahead to predict what markets will be doing for us for the week, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now guys, let's start with the trend. Now these are the two rules of trading. First rule of trading, you need to know your trend. Second rule of trading, you need to trade with the trend. Now, in order for us to be able to predict what market will be doing for us for the week, we need to pay attention to our main trend and the current trend. So we are going to make use of the current trend right for this week. But let's first of all take a look at the main trend. This is the main trend right here. Our main trend on gold is an uptrend move. Gold is clearly trending to the upside. Gold is very much bullish, right? That is the main trend. It is very much bullish. But when you take a look at what market is doing currently, you see that the current trend is literally trending downward, right? So market literally did drop to form a low, and this is the pullback, which is the lower high, right? Markets eventually dropped to form low, right, which did not give us a new lower low. Then this is a pullback. Now market is currently dropping to form a low, which is just an equal low right here. So we would expect market to drop further. So this is to tell you that a further movement to the downside is what we should be expecting on gold. Now guys, take a look at this movement for the week. Gold literally gave us a bearish move. Gold opened and closed bearish. Now this week that is coming, right, which is next week, we should be expecting gold to eventually give us a bearish move. So we should be expecting gold to open and close bearish. So this coming week will be a bearish move for us on gold. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes. But if there's going to be any changes, I'll make sure I do them and let you guys know. But for now, gold is literally dropping and it is selling, so we should expect it to sell more. Now let's run to our daily time frame, guys. This is it right here. This is our low and this is the lower high. Market was able to drop to give us a new lower low. Here comes the lower high. Market then give us a new lower low right here, and this is our lower high. So market is currently forming a new lower low, which is close to our equal low, right? Market is close to our equal low. We should expect market to drop further till it is able to completely take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So this is to tell you that if you are going for the sell and hold your sell position, you are definitely going to grab a lot of pips for the week on gold. So the best thing you can do is going for the sell and hold your sell position. Now let's take a look at it on our forward time frame. This is the movement right here, guys. This is it on our forward time frame. Markets gave us multiple rejection at this zone, right? When markets came to this level, it has been tapping this level multiple times, rejecting. Thereby, markets eventually drop. You can see that this massive move, this massive sell was made, right? That eventually tapped the support level, right? So we should expect market to pull back. After it pulls back, expect it to give us so much drop that we form a low, thereby taking out this low. So above all, we should be anticipating for a pullback, then one more drop for the week on gold. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Above all, a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the week on our gold.